Let's be honest, figuring out the bathroom situation is the most stressful part of camping or van life. Nobody wants to dig a hole in the dark. I wanted to see if portable toilets are actually comfortable or just glorified buckets, so I bought the 5 most popular options to test them out. Here is what I found. Product number 1, Thetford Porta Potty 365. Starting with the Thetford Porta Potty 365, this thing feels less like a camping gadget and more like a real toilet. It's got some weight to it, but the handle makes it easy to move. The biggest win here is the piston flush system. When I tested it, it actually rinsed the bowl effectively, which helps keep the smell down significantly. There's a sealed valve that locks everything away in the bottom tank, so you don't get those nasty whiffs when you open the lid. Emptying it was surprisingly mess-free because of the rotating pour-out spout. It stops the glugging. If you are in a van or RV and want something that feels hygienic and closest to home, this is the gold standard. Product number 3, sckee Camping Toilet. Now if you have zero space in your car, you need to see the sckee Camping Toilet. When I first held it, it was folded down flat, literally the size of a small laptop bag. Setting it up takes seconds, you just snap the side panels into place. Despite being plastic, it held my weight easily. They claim it holds 450 pounds and it felt rock solid. It comes with these little biogel packets that turn liquid into solid, which makes cleanup way less gross. I also noticed the seat opening is a bit longer than older models, so it's more comfortable for adults. This is the perfect, just-in-case, toilet to shove under a car seat for road trip emergencies. Product number 5, Drive Medical Commode. Finally, I tested the Drive Medical Commode. This is built differently than the others. It's a steel frame chair with a bucket underneath. When I assembled it, it snapped together without tools, and the powder-coated steel feels incredibly sturdy, supporting up to 350 pounds. The arms are a huge benefit. You can use them to push yourself up, which the plastic box toilets don't offer. The bucket slides out easily for cleaning, or you can remove the bucket entirely and place the frame over a regular toilet to add height and rails. If you need this for home care or someone with limited mobility who needs extra stability and support handles, this is the safest option. So whether you need a flushing RV-style unit, a tiny folding box for the trunk, or a sturdy medical chair, there's an option here for you. I've put links to all of them in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and stay comfortable out there.